Ashleigh here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be flipping this table. So I picked this table up from the Goodwill. It does have a few scratches on the top, coffee stains and stuff of the like, but that's gonna be an easy, quick fix. I really got this table because I loved the legs at the bottom, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to start to do is, of course, sand the top. Okay, a quick tip for you guys. When you are sanding, make sure that you sand with the wood grain. So just remember that. If you've never sanded anything before, just remember, if it's wood piece, sand with the wood grain. So the table's a little wobbly, so we are just going to flip it over and tighten up the screws. All right, so now we're gonna start to clean up. I'm gonna take my ghetto broken Dollar Tree broom. It's literally broken. It's been through the wire, been through the fire, whatever they say. And just get rid of some sawdust and wipe the piece down. And now we are going to start to stain the top. Paint. I'm going to be using Moss by Waverly. I'm going to mix it with water. I do this all the time because, like, literally your first coat is always just kind of putting the paint on the piece. It's not going to look good, so I just kind of water it down so I can get more coverage using less paint. Now I'm going to take my painter's putty and fill in the holes that I see. Okay, so now we're at my favorite part, which is distressing. So now we are about to distress it up. So we are all finished. I sealed the bottom with wax. The top is sealed with matte polyurethane. And this was actually the first piece that I sold. Everything else that I have flipped is in our house. This sold within 3 days. And like, this was just a super simple flip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video.